Healthy Lifestyle Crib presents How to Save Money Quickly. 18 Easy Ways. Anyone may benefit from learning to save money, and doing it fast is even better. There are numerous advantages to beginning a savings plan. Whether you've just received a huge bill out of the blue or your best friends have invited you on the trip of a lifetime, life can throw you a curveball at any time. Maybe you need a down payment for a house you wish to buy. You may be trying to do nothing more than increase the size of your emergency fund in case of unforeseen costs. Whatever your purpose, there are numerous methods available for saving money. Number 1. Budget your money and keep tabs on it. The greatest method to find places you can save money is to keep track of where you spend it. Simply keeping track of your spending for a month will show you exactly where your money is going. You can create a workable budget and stick to it once you've figured out where your money is going and where you can make cuts. This straightforward step can have a significant impact on your ability to control in your expenditures. Number 2. Settle your debts. Having credit card debt is a waste of money. Paying off your debt and getting rid of those high interest rates should be your main priority, no matter how difficult it may be. To better manage your finances and pay off your debts, you can use some of the other suggestions here. Number 3. Set up recurring paycheck deposits into your savings. Automatic transfers to your savings account can be a great aid if you just can't seem to make saving a habit. There is less temptation to spend money when a certain amount of your paycheck is placed directly into a savings account on a regular basis, and it's satisfying to see the balance in that account steadily increase over time. Take a look at your finances, decide on a regular savings amount you can afford, and start saving automatically. Number 4. Lowering your bills. Some of your bills, such as your rent or mortgage, may be non-negotiable, but you may have area for bargaining with others. You may be able to locate a cheaper deal on your auto insurance or cell phone service, for instance. Researching better rates might be time-consuming, but if it helps you save money, it can be time well spent. Number 5. Create recurring payment plan for bills. In our hectic lives, it's easy to get behind on a few payments. If you pay your bills on time, you'll avoid late fees and interest and have more money in your savings account. Overdue accounts usually incur a late fee from companies. Even though it's only a few dollars here and there, late payment fines can soon build up if you have many accounts. As a result, it is recommended that you establish an automated payment plan for your expenses. It's also wise to check your bank balance frequently to prevent overdrafts and the associated costs. Number 6. Use cash only. Put away your credit cards and withdraw only enough cash from your checking account to last you a couple of weeks. Basic sense, you can only withdraw a set amount and then see it gradually decrease as time passes. Since we're more driven by the fear of loss than the hope of gain, having to physically part with each dollar will make you more mindful of your spending. Number 7. You should really think about moving. Maybe your mortgage or rent is 2 to 3 times as much in the central business district as it would be if you moved only 15 to 20 minutes outside of the city. A monthly savings of hundreds to thousands of dollars is possible after making a move to a reduced cost of living area or selling a large home and moving into a smaller one. There are always going to be obstacles in the way of a move, but if it's even a possibility, it's probably worth thinking about. Number 8. Quit paying for convenience. It's the cost Americans are willing to pay for ease of life. For whatever reason, people are prepared to pay $5 for a sandwich that can be made for less than $1 at home. When they want coffee, they'll spend $6 at the cafe instead of making a pot at home and saving money. Making your own meals, brewing your own coffee, and fixing things around the house can help you save money in the long run. Number 9. Prepare a shopping list. If you take the time to make a shopping list before you go, you can cut your food bill by a significant amount. This will prevent you from making unnecessary purchases and help you stick to your shopping list. Create a list of everything you'll need to get through the week. Having fewer opportunities to shop will reduce the likelihood that you'll buy something you don't need. In order to maximize your time, limit your shopping to no more than 1 hour. As a result, you won't waste time aimlessly perusing the store for trinkets. Also, you should go shopping just after lunch. Shopping on a full stomach will make everything look less appetizing. Number 10. Downgrading your cable, phone, and internet. These 3 services can add up to a significant monthly cost for most households. Keep track of your consumption for a couple of weeks to determine what you truly require and where you might make reductions. Do you actually watch any paid TV packages? Do you stop using your landline entirely? If all you're doing online is checking Facebook and email, you probably don't need lightning-fast connections. If you want to save money, it's in your best interest to look about for a better deal. Number 11. Get out of contracts, subscriptions, memberships and stop paying. Do you have a magazine subscription that you never read? Is it the case that you subscribe to a goods delivery service but rarely make use of it? Is it true that you have a gym membership, but you haven't been there in a long time? The costs of various memberships, subscriptions, and other paid offerings can quickly accumulate. Take stock of what you own and evaluate whether or not it is necessary. If no is the response, it's generally best to call it off. Number 12. Give up your bad behavior. It's not simple to kick bad habits like smoking, drinking, drug use, or excessive eating, but you're spending a lot more than you realize. In addition to the obvious health benefits that come from kicking unhealthy habits, you can save a ton of cash on medical bills and insurance by doing so. Number 13. When you need to replace an old item, you should get a new one. When you shop based only on price or impulse, you're throwing away money and should probably stop. You can create an active barrier by telling yourself that you can only make a purchase if it's to replace something you already own. You should count how many of anything you need and how many you already have before making a purchase. If you're not sure you absolutely need a new one, give it some more thought. Many of us are dissuaded from making a new purchase because of the mental effort required to clear out our closets, sort through our belongings, and transport them to the local charity or garbage can. Number 14. Adopt the 30-day rule. To curb impulsive purchases, try the 30-day rule. The procedure is as follows. Do not give in to the temptation to buy something new, whether it be clothing, electronics, or vehicles. Please return the item if you are already holding it. I suggest you exit the store immediately. Before you leave the store, grab a piece of paper and jot down the item's name, the store's name, and the price. Ensure that the date is included. Put this on a visible surface, like a calendar, refrigerator, or notice board. You have 30 days to decide if you actually need and want this thing. If the desire persists after a month, you might want to make a purchase. That's pretty much it, but it works remarkably well. The 30-day rule is effective because you aren't actually depriving yourself. Rather, you are merely postponing your reward. The additional benefit of this rule is that it provides more time for research. Number 15. Don't rush into buying before comparing prices. It is important to follow the prior piece of advice with this one. The retail business relies heavily on impulse buys from customers, and will often tempt you with deals that need you to make a purchase right away. However, it is always best to take your time and shop around, as some doorbuster sales may truly be worthwhile. Not only should you think about the price of an item, but also the price of delivery, the value of any discounts or coupons, and any other fees or offers that might apply. One further advantage of doing comparison shopping is that you can decide you don't need the thing you were planning to get in the first place. Number 16. Don't let FOMO get the best of you, fear of missing out. Your preferred social networking platform could be highly engaging and provide a wealth of helpful information. However, they can also cause FOMO. You've probably read dozens of articles whose sole purpose, or one of several, is to make you feel bad about yourself for not doing something. For instance, what to do in your 20s and 30s, and when to settle down and get a car and a house. What kinds of high-end goods are essential, similar like. Consider whether or not these are items that you truly want. Or are you simply crossing things off someone else's bucket list? Make a list of what you want to accomplish and ignore everything else. Number 17. Earn money from your trash. Selling items you no longer use is another option to raise additional funds. Check your closet for unworn designer things, unused electronics, unwanted books, or anything else you can sell online. Determine the value of your items to ensure a reasonable sale price and observe safe dealing procedures, such as holding the meeting in a public place. Number 18. Use your skills to make more money. To most people, saving money is the only consideration. As a result, people frequently waste time reading pointless online articles that offer nothing but ludicrous advice on saving money. One of the most potent tools at our disposal is lost on us: the opportunity to increase our financial stability. Think about asking for a raise, taking on extra shifts at work, or going into freelance work in your area of expertise. Your savings will increase at a lightning pace thanks to this windfall. Putting away savings is easier than you would imagine. Modifying your routine can help you save a lot of money over time. The best part is that while you're saving, you'll figure out which methods work best for you, which will come in handy in the future. Alternatively, you might maintain putting money aside so that you're prepared for any emergency or unforeseen costs that may arise. Having a financial cushion at the end of the month can let you relax and take it easy. The question is, what do you think? Can you suggest any further methods by which one can cut costs effectively? How did we do? Tell us in the comments. Please give this video a like and share it with your friends if you found it effective. Make sure to hit the notification bell and the subscribe button for more videos like this. Also, have a look at the rest of our videos. Thanks for watching.